as has been mentioned by the DSWO, drugs addicts is a concern for the district. I think this has been continuing for quite some time now. It's not a new phenomenon. So I hopefully, with the launching of this campaign, it will have some impact on the ground. As I understand the issue, we can fight against drug menace from two angles, from the supply side and the demand side. I have seen at the state level, at the district also, or police has been trying their best to control from the supply side. But I believe it will be more effective if it can be controlled from the demand side. This will be a major rule, one of the objectives of this Nasha Mukt Bharat, in which awareness, counseling and treatment is required. I believe that media will be playing a very vital role. We have supporters from the NGO, but for this particular issue, media will be playing a very vital role in creating awareness. I sincerely appreciate and thank both our media houses in the district, Selat and Kota, who have willingly joined as partners with the district administration to reduce this drugs menace in the districts, which again I repeat, our approach will be from the demand side. So with this short remarks, at the same time I would declare launching of the district Nasha Mukt Bharat in West Jaintia Hills today, the 15th October 2020. Thank you.